रीत जगत की ऐसी है हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई, कि कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई। तू है कौन तेरा नाम है कहा, यहाँ तो सीता भी बरबाद हुई। मेरी खामोशियों में मेरी आवाज बोलेंगी, कहाँ तक तुम मिटाओगे मेरी हस्ती मेरा जज्बा, ये मिट्टी जरे जरे से मुझे जंबाज बोलेगी। लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन, so try to join Nadwala Institute and try to speak in less time English. You are trying to speak English in less time. So only I want to say, try to join Nadwala Institute. And
what is the motive? Our motive is to speak in the front of so many strangers. Look at people are looking at us, they don't know what's going to happen. Here, we are here to boost our confidence. The confidence I have right now, I want to make this confidence in everybody. So are you guys ready to attend this? Yes. Can you speak? Yes. Are you confident? Yes. Okay, so let's invite Mr. Rajkumar. Just come. Have a best clap for him. Okay, hello everyone. Hello. Okay, how are you? Fine. Okay, I'm also fine. Okay, first of all, I would like to say thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak before all of you. Okay, so thanks, sir, and thanks for you for clapping me. Okay, so today I will speak what is the need of English. Okay, and what is the importance of English. Do you know? English is international language. You also know. Okay, so if you are coming here and if you want to learn English, so it's good for you because it's in this time English is running more. Okay, if you want to do any job like an official job, yeah, simple job, if you want to do, so there is a come English. Okay, and with the English and by the English you can show our confidence, you can show our performance, you can do anything whatever you want to do. Okay, and in this time a lot of person with the English they are earning more money in YouTube, in social media, or in companies. Okay, so if you have knowledge and in English, so you can do anything whatever you want to do. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying? Yes. Okay. So my point today is if you are learner, if you want to learn English, so try to focus on that. Okay, and try to learn in some times because in this time English is very growing. Okay, and if I talk about for increasing money with the English, so having learned English and having completed, you can do anything with the English. You can make the video in YouTube, and you can teach to any student, and you can open the coaching. Okay, by that you can also success. Okay, so that's all about me.
okay, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, and you? I'm also well. Hey, this is me Umirza, and I'm a student of Nadwa Learning Institute. Firstly, I would like to speak a thought. Okay, don't understand worthless to anyone because which tree does not give you fruit, that tree must give you shadow. So now I'm going to tell about Nadwa Learning Institute. That is we also know we come here and we are also a student of that coaching. So we learn English there. If we are learning English there, so that is the merits of that coaching. Like we learn English in that coaching, and it is very good institute. You should also come there and you should learn English. If you are joining any institute, there you should know that what is the means what is there and what is the environment of there. Their environment is also good. If you are learning English, so you should practice there, and there are a lot of things by which you can learn English. If you want to learn English, then there is that is very good institute in which you cannot learn English. If you go there, you can increase your confidence by that teacher who are present there, who teaches there. They are very means that type of teacher who will care to you, like who will teach as like in which way you can learn easily. Okay, if you want to learn English, so that is very good institute. You should also come there for learning English. And we also know in this time it is very important. And I also joined that coaching. That's why I'm here to speak English before of you all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is me, Hers, and I will talk about problem. Do you know what is problem? If I talk about your problem, if I talk about my problem, if I talk about even all the people's problem, problem is not a problem. Problem is not a problem. But understand the problem as a problem. It's my problem. Okay? Okay, so good afternoon everyone. Hey everyone. Good morning. How are you all? I'm also fine. So first of all, I would like to speak a quote and try to listen. देर मत लगाइए खुद को ये निर्धारित करने में कि आपको क्या करना है. अभी देर मत लगाइए खुद को ये निर्धारित करने में कि आपको क्या करना है, वरना समय ये निर्धारित कर देगा कि आपको क्या करना है. So good morning everyone. Good morning. So first of all, I would like to speak about this institute, means Nadwa Learning Institute. I am also a student of Nadwa Learning Institute. So I want to say, try to join Nadwa Learning Institute. By that, you can improve your English speaking. As like I am speaking, you all can speak like me. If you want to improve your everything, you want to improve your confidence, there is also present that like that as facility. You can improve your confidence. As you all know that when I had joined this coaching, I was unable to pronounce, I was unable to speak anything, I was unable to speak Hindi and English both. But now the time I am able to speak English and Hindi both. And I was unable, I was not confident. But now the time I am confident. I am confident. I can speak everywhere. I can speak everything, everywhere. Hindi or English, both I can speak everywhere. And now the time when I had joined this coaching, then I was unable to ask question also. Like that is why I have gotten less marks in class 12th. Do you know I have gotten less marks in class 12th because of I had not confidence on that time. I was unable to ask him question, but now the time I am reading in degree college. And do you know teacher also say like you are confident, you are able confident, and you also ask question because you have confidence. When I stuck any question in any question, then suddenly I ask question, and every student also says you are confident because of Mr. Saran sir and because of Mr. Ibrahim sir. They all have helped for me for speaking everything. Because he has said to me, just try to speak English, just try to be confident, and by that I have been confident person. So try to join Nadwa Learning Institute and try to speak in less time English. You all can speak English in less time. So only I want to say, try to join Nadwa Learning Institute. And you know there is a type of facility, and without giving money you can learn English. You all can learn English in less time, and without giving money there is present this all facility. So thank you so much. Well, I want to say, try to join this institute. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. How are you all? I am also fine. Today we all will talk about why do everyone say English language is tough language? Because they all know, have knowledge. That's why they all think English language is tough language. But sometimes I was also think English language is tough language. But in this time I think English language is not tough language because in this time I have knowledge of the English. That's why I not think. And if we talk about by the English language, what we can do and what is the benefit of English language. If you have of the English language, by the English language you can speak and you can boost confidence and you can show your talent. And afternoon everyone. How are you all? I am also well. So now today I am here present to front of you all for speaking about any things about success. So now I am going to tell about how can we be a successful person. So, if I talk about means if no one has thought about the aim, ambition, your goals, then firstly I want to say just think about your goals, about your ambition. If you will think, then you can be a successful person. And for being successful person, according to me, three things is very important. First thing, First thing, you will have to choose your ambition, your goals. And second thing is, you should make your timetable for doing that. And if you want to be anything like it, if you want to crack NDA exam, if you want to crack UPSC exam, then it's all depend on hard work. Hard work, do you know if you will means if you will do if you will when will you be, then will you feel very proud. So I want to say just try to find that. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine, and you? I'm also fine. This is me, Hamdan Azmi, and I'm a student of Nadwa Learning Institute. So I would like to speak about social media. In this time, social media, more people are using social media. It is good and bad both. If you are using right way, then it is good for you, and you are using bad way, then it is bad for you. And by the it, we can also earn money. If you have that quality to earn, then you can earn. And by the it, you can also read. That's all.
Okay, hello friends. How are you all? I am also well. Okay, first of all I would like to tell about कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई कि कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई तू है कौन तेरा नाम है कहा यहाँ तो सीता भी बदनाम हुई यहाँ तो सीता भी बदनाम हुई फिर क्यों भर आई आंखें तेरी इस संसार की निंदा से कि क्यों भर आई आंखें तेरी इस संसार की निंदा से कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे क्योंकि काम है लोगों का कहना. So this is Miss Sandhya. I am a student of Nadwa Learning Institute. That's all about me. I am standing here to speak. What is the reason of behind that we are facing unemployment? So, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, we will have to understand what is the means of unemployment. The means of unemployment, berozgari. Okay, and even we all know we are facing more unemployment due to our political system and due to our education system. So, first of all, if we want to remove our unemployment, we will have to focus on our education system. In this time, our education system is not running well. That is why we are facing more unemployment. I want to say, Miss, only our school and the colleges, they are focusing our theoretical knowledge. They are not providing to us theoretical knowledge. Only they are saying us like just try to learn, and they are not saying just try to do practical. They are not providing to us practical knowledge. It's the main reason we are facing unemployment. And the second of the in our India, caste system is also running. That's why we are facing unemployment. And if I talk about how can we remove it, so having learned skills and by the skills we can remove our unemployment. So guys, if you want to remove your unemployment, just try to learn a skill. And in this time, many skills are running. If you want to get success, and if you want to be a best person in your life, you will have to do any work. And if you want to remove your unemployment, you will have to learn a skill. And ladies and gentlemen, do you know English is also a skill, and by that you can also earn money. If you know about English, you can also do job in calling center, and you can also do job in a Google company as you can also be a translator. And if you want to remove your unemployment, you will have to do any work. Do not think as like if I will do any work like if you are selling chapati as anything. It's not a bad work. If you are doing this continuous learning, it will be good. And by that you can remove your unemployment. So guys, in English language. You want to learn in English, firstly you can try what is the English language, and you have to talk with anyone, and we in English we have to you have to do any type of activity, and you have to do how to make boost confidence. Okay, so thanks. So ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. So I want to speak a quote. अगर आसमान में उड़ना है बादलों की तरह, अगर आसमान में उड़ना है बादलों की तरह, तो जीवन में कोशिश करना पड़ेगा पागलों की तरह. So with this beautiful line, I want to speak about why we are coming here for public speaking. So as we all know that English language is very important. So many people they provide Hindi in their shop, but we want to change that environment because English is very important. And if I talk about confidence, so here is no matter confidence, because everyone has confidence, and everyone buy and sell in their life. So here is no importance of confidence because everyone has confidence. And don't think as like people are looking to us, so what they are thinking and what they will speak. So we should not think that like, because if you have confidence, so you can do many things and you can change the whole world. So that's it. कटेंगे पर मेरे फिर भी मेरी परवाज बोलेंगी, मेरी खामोशियों में मेरी आवाज बोलेंगी, कहाँ तक तुम मिटाओगे मेरी हस्ती मेरा जज्बा, ये मिट्टी जरे जरे से मुझे जंबाज बोलेगी. गुड मॉर्निंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. This is me, Zareen Fatima. Today I am standing here before of you all for representing myself. So first of all, I would like to describe why we are doing public speaking. What is the reason behind that? Okay. So first of all, I would like to say, if we are speaking in public places, so by that we can improve our confidence. We can enhance our confidence. If we have no confidence, so by the people having spoken before our people, we can improve our speaking. Okay. So first of all, if you are speaking, if you are joining any type of institute, then you should learn, you should give your 100%, and you should enhance in your speaking. You should take out the mean of your speaking. Okay. So we are the student of Nadwa Learning Institute, and just now we are doing the public speaking from this institute. So the motive is that we have to boost our confidence. In that institute, only we don't learn English. We enhance our communication skills. We enhance our interview skills. We enhance our public speaking skills. We have that in our coaching, in our institute. There are many types of facilities are present. If you want to be fluent in English speaking, then you must join this institute. Thank you so much for listening my voice.